So it's really important to understand that your vehicle could actually be in paint multiple times. And it's also important to understand that your vehicle being in paint is more than just applying color to the vehicle. There's a lot of preparation that goes into getting ready to paint both the inside as well as the exterior portion of your vehicle. Danny, what are some of the things and considerations we have to think about in order to properly refinish the vehicle?
So before painting a car, we're going to start with priming the areas of repair. This can also be priming some new parts, the repaired parts. So it's really important we prime those areas and start restoring the corrosion protection on your vehicle here. There's going to be different colors that we're going to have to mix. We're going to have to mix colors for underside areas, maybe non-visible areas that you're not going to see from the outside. Once we get all the backside, underside taken care of, then we're going to focus on the outside. And the key to a perfect paint job is the preparation. So we're going to prepare the outside. We're going to have our technicians carefully sand those panels, make sure everything is clean, and then we can start mixing it and then applying the actual colors and clear coats to your vehicle. So again, without a preparation, we're not going to achieve a nice paint job. So this is a really critical step in the paint process. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.